Birkas Cohanim. Do you say ברכנו בברכה המשולשת בתורה, הכתובה על ידי משה עבדך, or you say ברכנו בברכה המשולשת בתורה הכתובה על ידי משה עבדך? Where do we make the stop? המשולשת oder בתורה? In Talelei Oires brings down from Doiver Shulam, לכוירו היה צריך לומר בברכה המשולשת הכתובה בתורה, because בברכה המשולשת בתורה is mashma that's only משולשת in the Torah and not in a different place. And he brings down a Mishnah Mesechte Tomit Perek Zayin Mishnah Beis. There is a difference between the Beis Hamikdash and Chutz le Beis Hamikdash. In the Beis Hamikdash is brocha achas. In the Medina is sholosh brochos. In the Beis Hamikdash they say the Shem kiksuvay. In the Medina they say it with a kinui, which means in the Beis Hamikdash they use the Shem Havayu kiksuvay, and in the Medina they say the Shem Adna. In the Beis Hamikdash the noise kapayim lemala mirosheim. In the Medina the noise kapayim keneged kesafayim. You see from this Mishnah that is actually one brocha mishuleshes. In the Torah is written three different psukim, which means the mishuleshes is in the Torah, but in the Mikdash is one brocha. And it's yitochen that in the Beis Hamikdash they answer one omen to all the three brochas, which is only one brocha. And the Gemara calls that Birkas Sholom, because the third brocha is Birkas Sholom, is koilel all the brochas. According to this, says Doiver Shulam, that today we make Birkas Kohanim in Medina. Memelo is three brochas. Bרכנו בברכה המשולשת בתורה, that we say the way it's written in the Torah, three different psukim, three brochos, not one brocha. And Chaim Kanievsky also writes they should be mafsik ברכנו בברכה המשולשת בתורה הכתובה על ידי משה עבדך. Hartzvi says that the Birkas Kohanim was given twice. First was given beruach hakodesh to Aharon. The second time was at Tzivui koi sevorchos bnei Yisrael, the same way that Aharon was mechaven. Rashi says vayiso Aharon es Yudo veloom vayivorchem Birkas Kohanim yivorechecho yoer yiso. Since the Chachomim asks why do you have to say all these things, of course that's what he said, but according to what he just said before, that Birkas Kohanim wasn't given yet, and that's the mashmos from the Rambam. Aharon was mechaven to the Birkas Kohanim. That's what Rashi said, that he said yivorechecho yoer yiso, even though it wasn't given yet. That's what we say po amura mipi Aharon, before it was written in the Torah. Besides that it was written in the Torah al yidei Moshe Avdecho, was said before that mipi Aharon beruach hakodesh. Hartzvi. In Or Mizrach he says you should be nizar to say ברכנו בברכה המשולשת, kama, because it's written in the Torah שבתורה הכתובה על ידי משה עבדך. It's much more over there you have to say even with a shin. ברכנו בברכה המשולשת שבתורה הכתובה על ידי משה עבדך. And the same thing Rav Matzliach ben Refuel Mazuz says meferesh, you have to be mafsik and don't say המשולשת בתורה. That's much more in the Torah is written three times, like lo sevashel gedi b'achalevim or three times in the Torah, or the cause of Torah b'shonu b'neviim u'meshulesh b'kesuvim, that's written three times. And Rabbi Eliyahu Katz, he says there's a kepedo not to be mafrid between hameshuleshes and b'Torah ksuva, to be mechaber hameshuleshes b'Torah. And this is dover choshuv me'oid, because in the Mikdash they were makpid to make the three psuki kohanim without a hefsek, not the way it's written in the Torah. So we should not make a toss that since the kohanim make three psukim into one posuk, the emes in the Torah is not meshuleshes, is not divided into three brochas. We say hameshuleshes b'Torah. In the Torah is written three psukim, and that's the iker given to Moshe Rabbeinu. Ki kol psuka de lo posak Moshe ananu paskinan, like it says in the Masechta Megillah of Beis Medallet. And he brings down from Doiver Shulam and Iyun Atfilah. And also in Siddur Or Hachamo and Rav Zundel Kreuzer, the Choyra we have more than three brochas. Yevorechecho v'yishmerecho, Yoer v'chuneko, Yiso, Yosem lecho Sholem. So we have six brochas. That's what says hameshuleshes, there are only three brochas. Rav Avrom Berliner on the Pirashat Tfilos in the Kisve Yat Mekoiri was written by brocho hameshuleshes hakesuva b'Torah. But this nusach is noisen mokum to make a chashash of havono, keilu Moshe only wrote these brochas and not the entire Torah. That's why they were mesares the seder amilim, that the whole Torah was written by Moshe Rabbeinu. But we have a different nusach, and that is nusach teman, that is mashma that you have to be mafsik by the word b'Torah. Bרכנו בברכה המשולשת בתורה. And they don't say הכתובה על ידי משה עבדך at all. ברכנו בברכה המשולשת בתורה, הוא אמורו לאהרון ובוניו הכהנים, עם קדושך כאמור. מתוכן, that since the bracha is one bracha, and in the Torah is written with 3 psukim, is one bracha משולשת into 3 psukim. But באמת is all one bracha. ברכנו בברכה, one bracha, המשולשת בתורה. In the Torah is written 3 brachas, but actually it's only one bracha. So we have 2 minhagim. One minhag is ברכנו בברכה המשולשת, בתורה הכתובה על ידי משה עבדך, that's the נוסח Ashkenaz and Sfard. And then we have the nusach from the Teimanim, ברכנו בברכה המשולשת בתורה. I want to be mechadesh, it's totally where Birkas Cohanim is being said. In the Mikdash is one bracha, in the Medina is 3 separate brachas. So in the Mishnah you have to say ברכנו בברכה המשולשת, הוא אמור מפי אהרון. In the Medina you have to say ברכנו בברכה המשולשת, בתורה הכתובה על ידי משה עבדך. In the Torah is משולשת, but in the mitzvah is not משולשת, it's one bracha.